It's Sybil Wilkes with what you need to know. Today is Thursday, August 6, 2020. Number 1. 55 years ago today, President Lyndon Johnson signed into law the Voting Rights Act of 1965. The intention was to break down local and state barriers like poll taxes, literacy tests, and other discriminatory practices that prevented Black citizens from exercising their right to vote. But this anniversary is not a cause for celebration, but rather one of action. 1 week after the burial of Congressman John Lewis and less than 90 days before the presidential election, this is the time to step up and bring back to life the legislation for which so many gave their lives. Number 2, the grace period extended by the U.S. Census Bureau has been changed again. Collection of all census information by mail, phone, online, or door-to-door will end September 30th. This is not about giving the government too much information about our lives. They already know. The information from the census forms will be used to determine how the federal government will distribute money to states and local governments for federal programs including Medicaid, Medicare, and the National School Lunch Program. Number 3, a study conducted by the Federal Reserve Bank of New York details the effect of the pandemic on Black-owned businesses, causing many to close their doors permanently. Communities with large numbers of Black-owned businesses are also located in counties that have been hardest hit by COVID-19. Through the federal government's Paycheck Protection Program, businesses located in communities of color were less likely to get loans than their white counterparts. Number 4, Black Lives Matter activist Cori Bush defeated 10-term political veteran William Lacy Clay in the Missouri primary Tuesday. Her win is one for the books. If she wins the general election in November, Cori Bush will be the first Black woman to be elected to the House of Representatives from Missouri. The once homeless ordained minister earned a degree in nursing and, following the police killing of 18-year-old Michael Brown, led protests in Ferguson in 2014, thus beginning her journey in racial justice activism. Congratulations, Ms. Bush, on your victory. Number 5, the stock market is a pathway to prosperity and provides leverage for a better economic future for minorities. Historically, entrepreneurship has provided the keys to prosperity and the escape from disenfranchisement. Given that knowledge, stocks are an excellent way for the Black community to build wealth by buying ownership in fast-growing companies. Join me today live on YouTube and Facebook at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central with George Wallace as we discuss today's headlines and more. That's what you need to know. For more information, please go to SybilWilkes.com and sign up for my free newsletter. Be informed, be empowered.